This is the Rhythmo. Hang on a moment, something's missing. That's better. This is the Rhythmo, a single-track 16-step pattern sequencer with 3 gate trigger outputs plus 1 control voltage output. A visual display of the 16 steps, 2 pots and 2 buttons. There is a slew rate control for the CV output and a power switch. Above the Rhythmo is another module called the pot roast, a simple 4-channel manual control voltage generator with switchable voltage ranges. But let's look at the Rhythmo. I made this device for 3 main reasons. There was a gaping hole underneath the modules in this case. I needed a rhythm generator, and I simply enjoy designing and building musical electronics projects. The Rhythmo and pot roast was designed to fit precisely in the empty space at the bottom of this case. It's affixed on either side by M4 screws. The front panel is sloped slightly to match the aesthetic of the modules above it. The main housing and the front panel were all 3D printed on a Prusa i3 Mark II in PLA. The Rhythmo has 8 operating modes. 4 of those modes generate Euclidean rhythms, and the other 4 generate random patterns. The mode is selected by holding down the left button. Currently selected mode is indicated by the flashing LED. Then advance the mode by pressing the right button. The 2 main parameters are adjusted by the 2 knobs. The left knob controls the number of steps in the pattern. The right knob controls the density, or the number of hits in each pattern. Within the group of 4 nodes, the first and third modes are internally clocked, and the second and fourth modes are externally clocked. When internally clocked, the tempo can be set by tapping the left button. An additional 2 parameters are available for each algorithm by holding down the left button and turning one of the knobs. For the 4 outputs, there are 8 preset combinations, with different combinations of trigger signals on each output, using a similar system to how we change modes. Output 4 is usually the CV output, generating a random value. The range of this random value is controlled by this knob on the far right. Underneath is a slew rate switch.